From being one of the first SMP artists to bring SMP to the Middle East, we're here for a conference with 150 delegates from all around the world to showcase scalp micropigmentation and educate them about scalp micropigmentation. Follow me for a demonstration that we will be performing live at the Wulop conference.
I'm on my way to an island and I'm popping shit at the pilot. Niggas be broken, be solving, but still talking shit like they ballin'. They say that they honest, how money these niggas gon' say that they got it. Getting out with the kid is success and these niggas gon' blame it on talent. They don't wanna see you win, they don't wanna see the race. You don't wanna see a bitch caught up in the stars.
Create a very nice hyper-realistic result. So we're looking at hyper-realistic, not too much because of the light skin.
Yeah. Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, he in sicko mode.
Made this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out boys, that's Nike boys hopping our coast. This shit way too big, when we pull up, give me the loot.